For this assignment, you're going to have to add subtitles to your classmates' videos, and you're going to use the tool clideo for this. To use clideo, first you're going to add the video. So you choose the file, so you'll have to go to the assignment and download the video that you're going to use, and then upload it from your computer. So I'll go to Downloads, and let's pretend I'm doing Hansong-yi and Ginny Lean's video. That's from a different class because I didn't want to do anyone else's. Then you wait while it uploads. Then choose Add Manually. Now if you hit play, you should be able to see your video.
你好, Ginny Lean.
And now to add the subtitles, you're going to drag this little box to where you want to put the subtitle in.
你好, Hansong-yi.
And then you click in the box and you type in what you want to write. And that's how it will appear in the video.
你好, Hansong-yi.
To add a new subtitle, you click the plus Add Subtitle, and it will add another box for you to do that again.
你好, Ginny Lean. 你好, Ginny Lean, 我的好朋友.
You can grab the boxes to move them around, and you can shrink the boxes.
你好, Ginny Lean, 我的好朋友.
If you want to start and stop the movie, you can just hit the space bar.
你好吗?
If you want to go back and hear it again, go click on the one you want to start at. You can't go and start from the beginning. You can only start at where you have subtitles. So if you want to move it back, you actually have to slide it back.
你好, Hansong-yi. 你好, Ginny Lean, 我的好朋友.
When you're done, go to Create. Then you can check your work.
你好, Hansong-yi. 你好, Ginny.
And then you can download. Don't worry about removing the watermark. Just download. And after the download is complete, you can upload that file into Schoology and you're done.